NeuroPic Smart Presets is a paid-per-use plugin for Lightroom Classic that uses AI to streamline batch editing and make your presets smart. To create your own smart preset, you only need 500 pre-edited images. Once you have selected them all, you can train your smart preset using the export button. Give your smart preset a name and start exporting the images. We will analyze your style and create a personal AI editing assist that will edit your future images as you would. You will receive an email when your smart preset is ready to use. To use your smart preset, select all the images you want to edit and start run editing within the plugin extras. Give your project a name and choose the smart preset you want to use for editing. You can also use any of our ready-to-use smart presets at any time. Click Start Processing and the images will be edited. You will receive an email when your edits are ready. To see the magic of your smart preset, choose Import Processed Images within the plugin extras to import the edited results. To use the plugin, install it now and create an account using the links in the description.